Today date 9/12/2024. I'm here at Seven Sister Falls. So I want to show you that part. It is eco park, and that one is the Pala Resort. And this Pala Resort, the way it is from the Kani Forest, opposite with the PWD office. And the eco park, the way is from the Nong Thamai. And from here, from this Seven Sister Fall, you will see the Layam village. And here, Layam village, if you will go and reach at Layam village, you will see living roots tree at Layam. And this river flow from the Seven Sister Falls direct to the Warao River. And that one, the Ringwood village. And from the Seven Sister, you will see the mountains, the beautiful mountains. And the road, highway road of the Seven Sister Falls. And you see the stories from all over India which are the Seven Sister Falls. Hey, mata singi wan poi hang ni ha po Seven Sister, mga wan explain ya ka ni ka jaka turus hang ni ha Seven Sister. Namal ka di ka birthday jo nga ngayo mata sun post nem. De tempat ipi ki prolog ki ba ku aban wan sini sa jaka turus hang ni ka Seven Sister saya wan mo. De nga wan poi hang ni ka long ka snong ka bai mat ba ku besiba ka latrin ka don. De kata hintai kidang snap mai tentang ada prasyarat sewa na menjoy nga wan kita si ban enjoy na menta ka birthday la jong na ada sun post nem mo prolog bai.
Ala ada bam ata usah tai tai semua.
Gabian mentang ada bukti ben bam ni hapo dekan jufi bat pi prolog jong tak please bon.
Ku boleh.